All right, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a 2019 Subaru Impreza. You're going to need a little screwdriver to pop it right on the edge of the key, and it pops the little one side off, and then the cartridge will pop right out. And then on the cartridge, there's four little, I guess you'd call them clips that you've got to get open, and they're not easy. So you're going to probably need like a small screwdriver and try to work it around. You can see this took me a while to do, and I went from one clip to another and just kind of popping it until it came off and then I had to get the last one there, and that once I got that one, I could open it up and get to the battery inside. And you can see there's the battery, and you can see the four clips that fit on the back. See, there's one, two, three, four spots where it goes on, and that's the contact for the battery there. And then the battery's in upside down. The face, oh, I just popped it out. The face of the battery goes down. And this is a CR1620. That's the battery that was in there. So I've got to go buy some of those because I didn't have any here at the house. So they didn't have any at the store, but I bought a 1632 and I bought a 1616. I'm going to try the 1616 because that's the closest to 1620. As you can see, they're about the same size and same thickness. And so I think it should work. I mean, look at them. They're basically the same kind of battery. You got to put it in face down, just like that. So you have that little ridge up. Then you're just going to take your other side. Make sure you get it lined up right with the right clip and just squeeze it. Bam. And then all you've got to do is really just set it inside of the key itself, just like that. It just pops in there, pops out. And once you've got that, you take the back, put it on there, just give it a squeeze, it'll clip on, and bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go ahead and start your car. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos.